Alright guys, so we're going to be doing some bass fishing today at Bartlett Lake. I got my boy Phoenix today. He's inside getting some food right now. We got still my buddy's bass boat. It's the man, the myth, the legend right there.
Going some shit. What up?
So yeah, we're going to get out to the lake right now. Hopefully catch some fish. So of course we're going to cue the old B-roll footage. Alright guys, so we just made it down to the actual lake. Just got the boat already launched. Phoenix is down there, so we're gonna go ahead and get right into fishing. So I hope you guys stay tuned. Should be a decent day of fishing. We're gonna throw topwater just to start off the morning. Hopefully get a few fish to bite on that, but other than that, let's go.
Oh. Oh, dude, that's a nice one.
Oh my god, that's a big one, dude.
Dude, you both flipped it like it was nothing.
Oh my god, that's a big one, dude. Oh my gosh, that's a Bartlett good one, dude.
That thing is almost 3 pounds.
Oh my gosh, sorry.
Jesus. Oh, trolling motor. Dude, that thing is almost 3 freaking pounds. That's a Bartlett stud.
Yeah, that's a nice one. I'm gonna actually get the good catch.
Dude, that thing is almost 3. No.
Nah, she's just a nice
Yeah.
2-pounder. That'd be a turn.
Dude, when I saw it, I was like, that's a 4-pounder, dude. And then I'm like,
bit it, I'm like, oh, I missed it. Alright guys, so here's the stud, man. That's a nice Bartlett fish, probably 2 pounds, 2 1/4 on the popper. I wasn't even paying attention and this thing just smoked it. Beautiful, beautiful fish. Nice shoulders on it. So we're gonna get him back in the water right now. Man, do you want to hold it real quick?
oh yeah, I guess I'll hold her. Yeah,
big
dude,
old
this is
Bartlett fish.
literally a Bartlett kicker.
That's a Bartlett kicker, dude.
Okay.
We're on our way to the dirty 30.
No, I thought you got.
No problem. Remember?
You caught that calico.
Oh. There he is.
Just hooked up on the war blade. First cast with it. Easy, dude. Easy, dude. Easy, dude.
Dude, I bumped into something. I'm like, what's wrong? Something weird's happening.
What a freaking professional.
Man, what a beautiful, beautiful fish on the war blade, right on top of the mouth. Let's get her unhooked. That's the war blade, guys. Really cool bait. It's kind of like a jig with just a blade on the back. So I could work it on the bottom, just like a spinnerbait or something. And it stays right down there. That's a really nice fish. Never came home. I'm like,
Yep. He's in outer space now. Oh my god! Jesus, dude, you loaded up on that fish. Is it a big one?
no, it's not.
Oh my god. Here, let me get the flashlight out, actually. Come on. Wait. Jeff just cracked one as we were leaving. On the war blade.
Look at that. Barely hooked.
Jeez, dude.
Look at this.
This is nothing. Dude, you laid into that fish, dude. Like it was your job.
Nice healthy one, so we're going to get them back in the water where they kind of belong. So
This is where the fish like to live, in the water.